Oh yeah, Momo. I remember calling her during the summertime. Yeah, but that did not end up so well though. She ended up taking me all the way to her bathroom and ended up doing weird things to me. Pretty weird things. But you know what? You know what? I think I'll just go. I think I'll give her another call. All right, I got my phone. All right, let me type in the number. That's right. Ringing, 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 ringing. All right, come on, pick up, pick up.
Hello there.
Momo.
Yeah, Froggy guy.
Yeah. It's me, Mr. Frog. Remember me from earlier in summertime?
Oh yeah, I remember you. We had a lot of fun, but I need you to do something now. Whoa.
What is that? What is it?
I need you to do a challenge.
A challenge? Like, what kind of challenge?
It's a game. It's a game on my website. It's really fun. Play it.
All right. That sounds great. I'll do that right now.
Yeah, I like your penis too. It's big.
Okay, bye. Alright, got my computer. Alright, let's turn it on and open this game up. Uh-huh.